Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for Sketch Genius. Now this is the first bonus page of 2022, and what an amazing bonus package it is. It really is. It's an amazing app with an amazing bonus package as well. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you the bonuses. I'm going to show you the bonus bundle as well. Then I'm going to show you some of the bonuses inside so you can see how amazing these look as well. I'll jump inside Sketch Video so you can see what this does, and then I'm going to show you the funnel. Okay, so please watch to the end because then you'll see everything that you need about this app and about this bonus as well. Now the first bonus is the bundle bonus. So this is if you purchase the bundle offer, which includes everything in Sketch Genius. Now I'm going to show you what that includes at the end of this offer, so make sure that you watch that. As I said, it's an amazing app, so you get everything included, and there's a huge saving as well. So what I'm going to give you extra if you purchase the bundle bonus, which is on top of what I'm going to show you in a moment, you will get my next 3 bonus packs without any purchase. So that means you'll get all the bonuses from today, and you'll get the next 3 bonus packs included for free. Okay, so there's no purchase needed. So you can purchase from another affiliate if you wish, and you'll get all those bonus packs for free. Okay, so great deal on that. Now, you can also book a 1-hour call with myself. I'll go all through your bonuses, your businesses, everything else for 2022. Now, I charge around about $297 to $497 for my time for an hour, so you're getting that included. And also, my graphics team will create you a branded marketing graphics pack for the agency license. So that including logo, social media, banners, ads, etc. And that's worth $497. So that's a huge bundle bonus there. Okay, so that's if you purchase the bundle, which includes everything for Sketch Genius. So this is what you're going to get. So you're going to get, I'm going to show you the prices so you're going to see what you can save at the end of this video. But Sketch Genius Supercharger, Sketch Genius Agency Reseller, Sketch Genius Elite, and the 4-in-1 software suite. So there's no limits or restrictions. Everything is included. So if you want to purchase the bundle, just click there and you'll be able to purchase the bundle. Now all the rest of the bonuses are all for the front end offer. You don't need to purchase any upsells to claim these bonuses, so here they go. And these are brand new for 2022. These are like kind of full membership sites, funnel offers, so you've got everything you need. So the first one is the Affiliate Profits 2022 Reseller. Now that includes everything like sales page, delivery, social media, graphics, banners, and everything else. And included in that is software and training. So you get to resell that as your own. Okay, and it's a huge offer. I'm going to show you inside some of these sites in a moment. I'm also going to give you the upgrade to that, which is a pro version. Again, you get all the done for you delivery, sales page, everything else, and that includes 50 done for you bonus packs ready to use, and you get everything included in that. Resell it as your own. Okay, and I'm also going to include the uncovered version, which includes done for you affiliate campaigns, done for you sales campaigns, over 200 bonus packs in that, plus lots of training as well. And you get to resell that and keep 100% of the income. And again, comes with sales pages, full delivery, everything. Now, also on top of that, you're going to get the done for you funnel. So you get the funnel for that. So you get the front end, you get all the upsells ready to go. So you can put those into a funnel, and you can resell them separately, or you can resell them as a funnel. And I'm giving you the master license. Now, this is limited to the first 50 buyers only. So you've got to be in the first 50 buyers to claim this because I want to keep it kind of exclusive. Now, what this does, it allows you to resell the whole offer. So you can pass on the whole offer to your clients and they can resell as well. So you are able to kind of pass on those rights to the clients. So this is a super valuable bonus. You get the sales page and delivery for that as well. So you can resell the funnel as an offer to your clients where they can install the funnel and resell as well. So this is an amazing package, this one. I'm also going to be holding a Affiliate Profits webinar, so you can join that inside, and this will tell you how to set everything up inside. And I've included a 32-week done-for-you lead generation funnel. Now this is amazing. It's got the lead pages, it's got the full swipes to follow up in there, and it's got kind of like it's almost like a magazine every single week for 32 weeks. It gives lots and lots of information, and you can follow for 32 weeks with that. And then you can put call to actions in like that. You can resell the affiliate profits and anything else you want to in there as well. I'm also giving you the Sketch Genius graphics upgrade, and this is a huge pack of graphics, videos, stock media that you can use inside Sketch Genius, and there is tens of thousands of extra graphics in there. I'm also going to be holding a Master Affiliates Profits webinar. Now, if you're lucky enough to be in the first 50 to grab that Affiliate Master, make sure that you're on this, because I'm going to show you how to set up the master license and make the most from that master, master offer. And we've got loads more bonuses as well. So we've got Reels Video Maker app, we've got Agency Video Maker, Neon Video Maker, Sketch Genius Client Getting Training, VidCompass, VidRank Engine, Campaign Cloner, AI Sales, Chatbot Marketing app, HD Stock Video Bundle, royalty-free music packs, Skype Mentorship Group Access, and as you can see, we've got all these extra bonuses as well. So a ton of bonuses included in this package. It really is an amazing bonus package to start 2022. But what I want to show you now is how good some of these sales pages look. These are included with the affiliate profits, the upsell and the underground as well. We've got lots more pages. I just want to give you a quick look at how well these pages do look. As you can see, very nicely designed. You can see how good these look, and these will convert for you guys. And then the training and everything's included. As I said, you've got multiple delivery points inside the membership area, so you can sell the front end separately or the upsell separately, or you can do it as a funnel and you get all the delivery for that as well. So there's lots and lots in here. It really is an amazing offer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump inside Sketch Genius so you can see exactly what this does. Then I'm going to jump inside and show you the funnel so you can see how much you can save if you purchase that bundle offer. Okay, so thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Okay guys, so here we are inside Sketch Genius. Now it's a really easy and nice app to use. Now this is the dashboard. It really is just a step-by-step app. So you see these different 7 kind of like drawings that you can choose from. So you've got the charcoal sketch, you've got the chalkboard drawing, crayon sketch, pencil drawing, blueprint sketch. These look nice. And these animated notebooks. I really like this. How if you just watch it till it finishes, these are like the examples it's giving you. So watch as it flips over. Looks really nice. And then we've got the animated sketchbook, which again is the same thing. It just flips over, and then it looks really nice. Watch it as it flips over. So what you can do is you can pick one of these to choose from. You can use them all if you want, but let's just choose this animated notebook and just click next. So now I've got different options that I can choose from. So I've got notebook no hand, notebook female, and notebook male. I've got 4 females, 4 males, and we can preview those by just hovering over and clicking preview. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one here and just click next. Now here is where we chose the text-to-speech, or add in your own voice if you want. Now we've got different options there, but I'm going to just use the text-to-speech. I'm going to use British English, and I'm going to choose Oscar. Speaker volume, speed and pitch I'll leave as is. So you can enter your kind of call to action on the video here. So let's just say my Sketch Genius with a huge discount. Then to preview that, just click preview.
Buy Sketch Genius with a huge discount.
So if you wanted to kind of change that around a little bit, you could change the speed there.
Buy Sketch Genius with a huge discount.
Too fast.
Buy Sketch Genius with a huge discount. Buy Sketch Genius with a huge discount.
That sounds better. So then just click, we can also add background music if you want, but I'm just going to leave the background music out for the moment. So all you need to do is you can kind of choose one here and you can select that and you can turn the background music up or down. So I'm just going to leave that out for the moment. Just click next. Then what we need to do is we choose where that's going to be positioned, but we're only doing one slide in this, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'm going to click next. Then we can enable subtitles if we wish. So if we want to enable subtitles, we click there. Then we can also choose the background as well. If we want to change the background, we can do that. And we can change the colors as well. But I'm going to leave all those as default for the moment. Just going to click next. Then as you can see, what it's going to do now is going to kind of create the video, but you need to add in the image that it creates. Okay, and you can also add the intros and outros to all these videos, and you can add multiple scenes. But as I said, I'm just going to kind of use this one just as an example. So you've got custom background. I'm not going to change the custom background because I kind of like that sketch feel type to it. Then I'm going to upload the video, the image, sorry. So I can upload my own images, or I can just choose from Pixabay, Pexels, or Premium. So I'm going to just choose Pixabay. So let's choose something to pick here. I'm going to just use Artist. So I'm just going to use this one. Now here you can crop out the background if you wish. Now it works quite well depending on what kind of background it has. If it's just like a kind of plain image, it does really work well. But if there's a lot of kind of text here, it kind of leaves a little bit of a kind of shadow. So I'm just going to leave that as it is, and I'm just going to click select. And what happens, it starts to create the video. So as you can see there, it starts to create the video. So just click next, type a name for this. I'm just going to call it Artist. Resolution, you've got 720 or 1080, so I'm just going to use 720. Then what I'll do is I'll click create video. So you can see that's being created now. So I'll just pause this while this is being encoded. Okay guys, so that's encoded. It took a few minutes to encode, but if you get that first upsell, the renders are going to be much quicker because you've got kind of 10 simultaneous renders at the same time. So let's have a look what this looks like. Now remember, this is only a short video. I only set this at 2 seconds. I could just show you how this looked.
Buy Sketch Genius with a huge discount.
Okay, so you can see how that looks. Looks a nice video. It's kind of a showstopper. You've got multiple different ones. Now you can see some of these I've been playing with previously.
Get your discount.
Lock in your offer today.
So that's when I put a subtitle at the bottom.
Hello, how are you?
So you can see how they look. Now, obviously, to create these longer videos, you need to spend a little time doing those. I just wanted to give you an example how easy these are to do. So to download them, just click there to download. You can also edit them there and also clone them there. And if you don't want them, just delete them. So if you wanted to edit that, for example, you could just click edit. Then you could change the audio if you want, or whatever. You could add background music. Then once you're there, you can add more scenes in. So you could add multiple scenes in there to make it kind of much longer if you wanted to. So
Buy Sketch Genius with a huge discount.
So if you wanted kind of scene 2, scene 3, you can add those in there. And don't forget, you can add that intro and outro. So I really like the app. It's really nice. It's kind of very easy to use. Now, these kind of videos are great for kind of attention stopping, things like that, and great for getting your point across if you're doing like YouTube videos or anything like that. So very nice app. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you inside the funnel so you can see exactly what this entails and how many kind of upsells they are and how much they all different cost and what they all do. So thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Okay guys, so here's the funnel. Now the first one is the front end, $47, one-time fee. Now the first upsell is the supercharger, so that just gives you lots of extra features. Now a couple of those are One, that you get 10 minutes on the front end, so you can create videos in 10 minutes in length. The first upsell allows you to create 15-minute videos. So you can also create those in HD, and you get priority support as well. Plus, you get multi-thread video rendering, so you create your videos much quicker. So that's $49 one time. Now the next upsell is the agency reseller. Now this allows you to resell the videos you create. So if you go into somewhere like Fiverr or somewhere like that, you'll see how much people charge for these. So you get to resell those to your clients. You get to create them for your clients and resell them, but you also get to be an affiliate of Sketch Genius, and you get 100% commissions on the front end. So when you sell that, you get to keep the whole of the commissions. Your agency account with 5 simultaneous logins, done for your agency website, done for your agency marketing package. So you get lots in there to kind of start your own agency to resell those videos. Then upgrade 3 is the elite version. So in there you get 150,000 ready-made video scripts, 400 ready-to-use male and female voiceovers, and then you get unlock premium sketch themes, hands and things like that. So again, that's a nice upsell. $39 one time. And the last upsell is the 4-in-1 software suite. So that again is $47 one time fee. So you get the video automator in that, the vid editor, the video player, and the video resizer. So it's a 4-in-1 software suite. So as you can see, nice funnel there. And remember, if you purchase the bundle, you get all those included for that one-time fee. Okay, so, remember, if you want my bonus, you have to purchase through my link. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.